Today, we talk about...
Welcome back, Escada.
All right, so we got all the packaging here. First and foremost, the sneaker. I mean, guys, this was a beautiful cop right here. What I do love about this is the contrasting black swoosh, mini swoosh. Get the branding, get the bubble, get the Fear of God logo, get the Nike. It's not Air, it's Zoom, therefore no air. Hey, yo. Don't know what the symbols mean, to be honest with you, but it E what it E. Serial number AO. Nice tumble of leather. You can probably feel this out. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna switch out the laces, keep them as is. Love the cage. Beautiful, beautiful insole as you see here. Well, let me just take out the laces for you just to check it out. What is that saying there? Just some numbers. So, not really sure the reference. In addition, this packaging, A1, you get this beautiful frostiness of logo-ish. All came in this nice little bag.
Hey, yeah!
Let's see, white laces. I'm not sure if these are different. Actually, yeah, so, I'm not sure what the difference is here. But anyway, so then you get these lace locks. These are a must. I'm leaning towards Le Clear. And then you get a nice little fancy bag. And there's the other pair. Got them.
Really good on the Namek soil. If you're fighting Frieza, these are the ones I'll be wearing.
Goku triggered.
Oh yeah.
This packaging, for sure. They each came in these styrofoam packages, each shoe. A1 packaging for sure. There's the box, there's the logo-ish. There's the tag upside down. Let me just reverse it so y'all can get a better look. If it'll focus. There you go. This lucky soul got it from Essence, and then I paid double for it. So it ain't what it is. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that little review. Actually, let me just give you a quick on foot. So a nice little detail on the zipper here. If you look closely, if I can get it to focus. Come on. There we go. See, it says Nike. Come on. Nike on the zipper. Is that a swoosh? No, just a little ish. And then Fear of God on the other side. I don't know if you can see that. Come on. Come on. There it is right there. Boom. That's Escada. Here you see the, just give you a closer look at Le Slit. Opens up in the back as so. Kind of, hey. And then you get this little extra tongue piece or whatever you would call this in the back. And then you slip right in. So
Escada.
what are those? So yeah, these I went true to size. I heard from people the OG black pair. You got to go half size down, and I haven't tried those on yet, but with these, true to size fits pretty good. I don't feel like I have too much room, just a little bit here. From what I heard, they run narrow, so for wide footers like myself, these were the right choice. Great look on feet. I would say I'm ready to battle Cell and Majin Buu, and
Jesus Christ, he just said Asian.
oh, JJ. Wow, yeah, these are
Those do look nice.
These are an OD. Yeah, I'm
As a card carrying member of the Haters Club, those look pretty nice.
Bob, got them. Yeah, dude, these are slick. Really feeling these. Definitely not switching out laces. We're gonna keep them as is.
I should warn you guys, these are a bitch to take off. And the zippers, from what I hear, are very flimsy and easily breakable, so be careful.
Allow me to demonstrate. So I've been trying to get these off for a hot minute. I don't know the best way. The zipper's been off this whole time. Fuck, man. Yeah, this actually hurts. There we go. So definitely true to size with these. I will get back to you on the other pair, but yeah, be careful. All right. Hope you've enjoyed this little ish from myself. See you soon.
Bye.
Peace.